It's my dad. We just made it here to phone 2, guys. Let's see what they got going on.
Welcome.
Oh yeah, anything on here.
This is,
I'm on 91, so you guys can.
No, I literally told them we're running it today.
I'm on 91, so I'll race you on 91.
I'm on 91 too.
Doesn't make it so bad.
He raced DD's
Ferrari.
12 twin turbo yesterday.
You like the gooseneck? You guys want to see the new trailer?
Yeah, I've been working on this thing all day, bro. I finally installed the gooseneck.
I'm a cholo now.
I can't believe you did all that.
I'm an idiot.
You're gonna be that grandpa with wrinkly ass skin.
Bro, I'm never gonna get a job now. Can you guys hire me?
You did that on purpose, so you never have to get a job?
Yeah.
The thing actually looks sick. Don't see it.
Well, what's up, guys? You're watching another video. We just made it here to phone 2. As you guys see, I was in the area, so I thought I'd stop by, see what they're doing. Check out some cool cars. They always got sick
He
cars.
built it all himself.
This is yours? For real?
Like good or bad?
Damn. What Apex is?
Bad or good?
Damn, that shit is sick. And it's red. Oh, it looks like Sam's, but
He built it all
red.
himself.
No way.
I swear to God.
Except the paint.
That's clean. You cannot go wrong with the E30. That shit's nice, bro.
You're gonna drive it.
I'm down. It's pretty similar setup to my E46. Same thing, single turbo.
The big injectors on.
It's literally like my E36, how the Apex was with the red.
Oh, you had one. Yeah.
I should have kept it. Damn, a Supra. It's also red with TE37. An E36 M3. A real M3 too. Oh my god. Dylan Hughes? I saw his E46 the other day. Drifting. All the drift cars.
720?
So we're doing a twin turbo kit on this thing.
You're so stupid.
Lamborghini Huracan.
Damn.
That's the new trailer? No way, bro.
I swear.
That shit is huge. Phone 2 got a new trailer. Damn, this is really nice.
It's the new hookah spot, brother.
A hookah spot?
Is he famous now?
Bro, this is sick. Arion's famous on YouTube
Oh, yeah,
now.
got you all those views
Go,
on
go Nick.
Lexus 2K.
Oh, some gets man watches.
For real? You can sleep up here.
AC.
The new race car trailer, guys.
Yeah, I love AC, bro.
That E46 M3? Whose is this? This is sick, bro. This reminds me of mine. What if we did Nardo on mine? Nardo actually looks good. Then we got Sam's drift car, which he'll be in Formula Drift this year, I think. You think he's gonna make it? Oh! No way, Joseph. Where the fuck did that shit go?
The wind hit it.
Joseph should stick to driving cars.
I usually always hit it, but look how low that hoop is.
But yeah, look, Sam's drift car. He's doing Formula Drift this year, guys, which is freaking sick. All carbon fiber dash. This thing's set up perfect. You guys remember his old E30 they used to have? He retired it, got a whole new body now. This is the 135i. It's pretty much like a upgraded E30. You know Sam loves his E30s. So this is kind of like the newer version, future E30. It's way faster, way crazier, way cooler. Look, my Woomy. Look at the exhaust. Well, the waste gates. I haven't even heard it still to this day.
You haven't heard it? It sounds like a rotary.
I know it does, right? I seen videos and it literally sounds like a rotary.
It's insane, bro.
Sam's practice car, his E36. This thing's also sick with the carbon dash too. I need to get a carbon dash for mine. That shit is sick. But I like these. If I were to get a Mercedes, it would definitely be one of these AMGs. GT63. They're huge, bro. They're a big Mercedes, but look at the interior. It's like a fighter jet. Literally like an airplane cockpit, bro. I still have my dirt bike, guys. I just have not done anything with it.
Through the glass?
Go pop a wheelie.
I will.
For real? Justin can do wheelies and everything. McLaren? I don't know my McLarens. I don't know what kind it is.
Alright, if you can.
Forged carbon though. It's pretty cool. What's in here? Look at the dog just wandering around. Sam? Show Sam. You see me in the drift cars? I went with Rome.
Oh, there's my boy Nick right there.
The E36?
Right now. He's number 2 call.
For real? Actual Formula Drift is going on now. Remember we went to the little media day? Look how many people are there now. Look at.
Why? You look so good on them.
I know, bro. I knew Sam was gonna hate it.
What does it say?
It says, live fast. Because my GTR is fast. No, I'm just kidding.
Why?
I don't know. I've always wanted hand tattoos. I think it looks cool, no? Sam hates tattoos.
So stupid.
Look at you guys. You get to watch it over here instead. I was gonna go to the actual event, but I already got all the Formula Drift content. If you guys saw, remember, he has practice cars in here. It's E36 M3. This is E46 M3. They have the same liveries. But it's crazy because 412 is working on this practice car. Look how good they are, dude. Look how close they get. Oh my god. Look at Joseph's vet, guys. C6. As you guys know, I want a C6 so bad. But this is a ZR1. That's the one I've been telling you guys that he does not have that fading no more. He sold it a few years back. And now he got back into a race car, but a C6 ZR1 this time. And this thing makes almost 1,000 horsepower, I think. We're gonna have to do a whole video with Joseph soon. Do like a ride along and stuff like that. If you guys wanna see that, comment down below, let me know. And we wanna do a video before he gets rid of it, because I think he's already trying to get rid of it. All right, guys, I think Sam might start the 135. I have not got to hear this car yet. Everyone was telling me it sounds like a rotary, but it's a BMW motor, so we'll see.
And get an intake as well, but you don't have to.
Can I drive it?
Yeah.
Imagine. That shit sounds healthy, bro. Oh my god. Woo, it smells, bro. Exhaust tips on the back. Oh, my boy's out of gas. That's pretty sick. Well, that shit does sound crazy. I don't know what it sounds like. It definitely don't sound like his old S52. That's sick.
It literally sounds like a rotary, bro.
It does kind of sound like a rotary.
Literally.
Oh my god. He's just setting off the alarms, bro. That shit clean. That shit hella nice. You guys hear this thing idle? Guys, Joseph's trying to sell it. He recently just bought it, but it's super clean, ridiculously low miles. And he's telling me I should get rid of the GTR and just buy this. He says this thing will get way more attention than the GTR, way faster than the GTR, sounds cooler than the GTR. I don't know. It is a hard decision, huh? Look how clean it is. Damn, bro. And it's stick shit. Yeah, this thing is ridiculous, bro. You guys hear that? What do you guys think? Would you trade my GTR for this? Look at the tires on the back. Alright guys, well that was cool. Stopped by 412 and checked out some of the cool cars. Got to hear Sam's drift car. Got to hear Joseph's Corvette. And now we're about to go grab some food. Look at Charles is driving. This shit is sick. God damn, that shit sounds crazy. Is that thing like super rare? I think it is. Anyways, we're gonna go grab some food. I also need gas because I'm literally running out of gas still from last night. It's going down by the second, as you guys can see. We got Arion's GTR. This color is so sick. It's the new Nosatech color. It's kind of like a chalk gray, but it has like a gold flake in it. It looks pretty cool. What the? This sounds sick. Does mine sound like that? My car's on 91, so it's probably way slower than it. Each other because we have the same mods and the same tuner. Alright guys, now we came to the homies chicken spot. You guys remember Brandon? He's the one with the E92 M3 that was supercharged. I'm sure you guys remember in my vlog.
Turbo.
I mean, twin turbo, right? I said it right?
Twin turbo.
Twin turbo E92 M3. The only one in the world, just kidding. But you guys remember the white one that I made a vlog on. This is his chicken spot if you guys want to go grab it. I've been told you guys in the last video. It's called Humble Bird right there. I'll leave the Instagram right here, but it's pretty bomb. It's in LA. I got chicken sandwich. Damn, this shit looks bomb, bro. Got some fries.
You don't like hot.
Huh? I'm scared, bro. He wants me to try it, guys. I don't like hot stuff. They spicy or what?
This shouldn't be too bad.
What is it, like spicy? Hot?
This shouldn't be too bad. Let me record you so they get your reaction.
We're gonna see Nick cry right now, right? Shout out Humble Bird real quick. I got my boy Lou over there. Yeah, you better put this in the video, right, bro? Look.
That's bad.
That's good.
Oh, hey, there it is. That's the hot, my boy.
I'm not going to the camera. You go ahead. Finish it.
No, it's bomb, but it's spicy as fuck. Bro, I can't even eat hot Cheetos. That's like my spice level, guys. That's hot. My mouth's on fire. I got mild. I'm not eating that one, bro. We're in Ariana's GTR. This shit feels faster than my car, bro. Oh my god, dude. It's 100% faster than mine.
No,
I swear.
you can run it. I don't know.
Woo. Yeah, blow valve?
Blow valve. Same mods, but just blow valve.
I should do that. Oh my god, this just spins. You need to get 18s. My car does not spin like that.
I'm on 20s, bro, with fucking fresh tires. I don't get it either.
If I make you Thomas, don't spin at all. Why does yours pop like that? My shit does not pop between gears, like shifting. I think your motor is going out, bro.
I think so too. It's for sale, guys. Whoever wants it, hit up the DMs.
Look, E46 M3.
BBS's, CSL trunks.
It does have BBS. It's really clean. Damn, that shit was fire.
That was nice.
Alright, guys.
Big
now,
fan, man. Big fan.
what the heck? No way.
What up,
you're here.
baby? Hey, bro,
What's
for once
up?
you come to this side of town?
I know. I don't know where I'm at right now,
Nick,
but
bro, come on.
blinding. Even in the dark.
Hold on, we're like a little shade. What happened to the ramp?
I took it off. You like it or no?
Hold on, let me see. Give me the camera. Let me see the tats.
You like them?
Damn! Hold up. There's a little zoom in on that. That's hard.
Dark, but yeah.
It says what? Live fast. Live slow. Damn. Big mafioso.
But yeah, guys, we just made it to this car meet that was pretty close by to where me and Ariane were. So we decided to pull up. It looks like a lot of BMWs are here. E46 M3 in red too. G-Wagon. Red E46 M3 with some T's. Fire. Another one. I like the one with T's. That shit's clean. The big ballers are here. We got a Brabus. My boy's big balling. God damn.
Third motor, upgraded turbo.
1,000 horsepower, M6.
1,000.
That shit sounds crazy. What the heck? You can hear the turbos. Bro, do you guys hear that? It sounds crazy. It sounds like a freaking jet.
Well, like, it sounds like a Boeing.
F80? Damn, what blue is that? It looks like a Miami blue or something. It's clean. E92, E92. A red one too. I miss my car so much. Yesterday I posted it on my Instagram story. I found like the craziest picture of my car. I never look back at pictures of my car, but yesterday I found one and I was like, wow, bro, I had one of the cleanest E92s. I'm so stupid for selling it. At the time, I was just, I don't know. I was obsessed with my GTR. What the, is this the homie? The new M8? These things are sick, dude, honestly. White interior, and they're also very fast. Look, G80 with the wing. I don't think I've ever seen a G80 with the wing on it. It looks kind of cool, huh? A pink M4, what the heck? It's really pink. Yeah, it's just a few cars, not too many. Damn, the front looks sick. I knew that was your car. Oh my God, Pagani. Hi, how are you? Look what I got. I'm never getting a job, huh? But everyone I show is so disappointed in me, bro.
What are you, Nick 69?
6'9"? What's up, buddy? Do you remember me? Probably not. It's been a long time. But I think the last time I saw him was in Vegas.
Yeah.
Like Eurofest, bro.
That was like 2016.
What's up, buddy? Alright guys, we're just teleporting everywhere today. Look, we met up with the homie Andy. If you guys remember Andy in the C63 AMG, we'll show you his car outside. But this is a little project car that he has. MK3 Supra, bro. Bro, it sounds good, dude. Need the rap, but after the rap, this shit gonna be fire.
Yes, Lord.
It sounds good.
Yeah, David. David's on pause right now.
David got no service. Huh? What the? Bro, this shit sounds crazy. What?
Bro, this just sounds sick.
I feel like I'm in Fast and Furious.
Oh, I was not expecting it to throw a pop like that. That shit sounds sick. Good job, 1J.
That shit sounds crazy. 1JZ?
1JZ.
It's not even tuned yet or what? Is it?
No, it's a 1JZ VVTi. It hasn't been tuned. We're waiting on the homie Robert to put the 1000 injectors, and then we can tune it.
Oh, it's just sick. Sounds good. What? Bro, I think it's shooting flames.
Bro,
That shit sounds like a flame.
Good, bro. Not sounding like this, bro. I swear to God. It did not sound like this, nigga.
It's pretty sick. It sounds like a Supra.
Oh my God, dog. This shit sounds so good.
Bro, imagine when you tune it and stuff.
Bro.
It's gonna be crazy.
It's hitting fuel cut. It's correcting itself.
But yeah, guys, this thing is clean. Little cool project car. It just died on us.
It just died literally as we were pulling into the...
At least we were making it into the garage.
You know why the terminals moved? Because the batteries in the trunk, we haven't put...
Yeah, I think the battery must have got disconnected.
Yeah.
It literally just shut off. But good thing we were right here and not like over there on the street. Andy picked this up for like a little project car. It runs good. He wants to wrap it like a cool color. I'm not gonna tell you the color. Go watch Andy's YouTube channel if you want to see the color. This one's clean. Little Mark 3. Sheesh, look at this big ass turbo. 2JZ. Those wheels are fire.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.